In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detect Airbnb cameras. First, know the rule. Airbnb banned all indoor cameras in 2024. Any hidden indoor camera is a serious violation of policy and trust, so understanding this upfront sets the tone for what to look for. Before you even book, do some homework inside the app or website. Log in, search, open the listing, and read the full details. Hosts are required to disclose cameras, and while indoor ones are banned, photos or text might hint at devices. Click into the photos and take a full photo tour. Look closely at ceilings, shelves, outlets, nightstands, and bathrooms. Also, look at the description and house rules for any mention of security devices and skim recent reviews for guest comments that seem concerned. Use the images to build a mental map so you know what should and shouldn't be in each room when you arrive. If anything feels off in the photos, make a note so you can verify it later. When you check in, start with the fastest safety step, a quick visual check. Stand in the doorway and scan each room slowly, then move through the space and look carefully at anything that seems out of place compared to the photos. Focus on common hiding spots, smoke detectors mounted in odd places, alarm clocks or multi-port chargers pointing toward beds, power outlets or USB plugs with tiny pinholes, lamps, fans, and decorative items with unfamiliar openings, and bathroom vents or mirrors that look unusual. Hidden cameras are often disguised to blend into everyday objects, so trust your instincts if something looks new, misaligned, or aimed at private areas. Next, use the best free method, a flashlight scan. Turn off the light so the room is dim. Use your phone's flashlight and sweep slowly across surfaces and objects from different angles. Pause occasionally to let your eyes adjust and change the height of your beam from eye level to waist level as you sweep. You're looking for tiny, reflective dots, the glassy sparkle of a camera lens. Go methodically around the room, including high corners, shelves, and near outlets. A real lens will catch the light and briefly glint back at you. If you find what appears to be a camera, act immediately. Do not touch or tamper with it. Take clear photos and short videos for documentation, including a wide shot that shows its location. Leave the property right away and move to a safe public area. Contact Airbnb support to report the violation and notify local authorities. Airbnb can refund and relocate you in cases like this, and your report helps protect future guests. Your safety comes first, and clear documentation makes resolution faster. That's the process. Prepare before booking, do a quick on-site sweep, use the flashlight test, and report any violations promptly. Stay safe and informed, and enjoy your trip with peace of mind.